Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Teacher Tasha and I am immensely proud to be the owner of the brand new GENIUS Outlet Center right here in Presint 8 Putrajaya. We understand that choosing the right place for your child's early education is a significant decision. That's why I am here personally to show you what sets our center apart and to share a bit about why we've embarked on this wonderful journey. Oh, before we step inside, let me share you some interesting trivia about myself so we can get to know each other better. The ants go marching. Row, row your boat if you're happy and you know it. Prophet stories. Peter and Jane, Disney princess. We are nearby government sectors. We have the most famous nasi lemak Royal Kedah and we're just next to IE8. Wait, I know it's not ready yet, but it will be ready soon. Our spacious and vibrant classroom are designed to nurture young minds. It's amazing to see how far we've come. Our team has put their hearts and soul into creating this nurturing environment, and we can't wait to share it with you. We understand that you might have questions and want to experience our center firsthand. That's why we're inviting all parents to join us for our Tadika tour. During the Tadika tour, you'll have the opportunity to meet our dedicated teachers, explore our world-class facilities, and learn more about our educational programs. It's a chance to witness the magic of GENIUS Aulad for yourself. As a special incentive, we're offering exclusive promotions and discounts for those who choose to register early. It's our way of saying thank you for choosing GENIUS Aulad. Thank you for joining me on this tour today. We're excited to be part of your child's educational journey and can't wait to welcome you to our GENIUS Aulad family. To book your Tadika tour or to get more information about our programs, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to meeting you and your little one soon.